So hello guys, welcome to my channel and you are watching Developer Decks. I am Sakshi Pathak. This is the second video of Python, and in this video we are going to learn about how to write a first code and about how to download the Python. Open the Chrome and then we have to visit the link python.org.in to download the latest release of Python. In this process we will install Python 3.12.1 on our Windows operating system. After downloading the Python file, the following window will open. I already have installed the Python in my window, that's why it's showing like this, but in your operating system it will show like this. Then you have to click on install now. To continue this, I clicked on modify and then next and install, and after clicking install it will start getting installed. It will take some time to download in your system, but I already have Python in my operating system, that's why it's showing setup was successful. Then we have to download our compiler, means VS Code or PyCharm. But why we are going to download a Visual Studio Code, not PyCharm? Because Visual Studio Code is lightweight and fast, and making it a very good option for developer who want a quick and easy to use. Download Visual Studio Code, we have to visit its main website code.visualstudio.com. Then we have to click on download for Windows. After reaching its main website, then it will start getting downloaded. After completing the download process, we have to click on the recent download VS Code user setup. Then after this we will set up the VS Code. It's very easy to set up the VS Code. I already have downloaded the VS Code. After this we have to make a file of Python where we write the code. So click on file, then click open folder. Select a place where you have to save the folder. Make a folder named Python. After making the folder, open it in VS Code, means select that folder. After selecting the folder, it will open in VS Code. After this we have to download the extensions for Python or for running the code. VS Code extension let your code to add languages, debuggers or tools to your installation to support your development workflow. We have to download the code runner extension because this allows developer to run snippet written in different programming languages. Second extension we have to download is Python, obviously because we are going to write the code in Python. To create our first file of Python, we have to click on new file and you can name as you want. I typed basic.py, but it is important to put extension. The Python extension is .py. So we will start with writing the hello world program. It is very easy to display the hello world message using the Python interpreter. We have to issue the print statement from the Python. Prompt as follow on the screen. After running the Python file, the hello world message is printed on the terminal as you can see. To make a line as a comment, we use hashtag. By using the print statement, you can print any line, or we use curly brackets to print the statements. Now we are going to use slash n, means new line character. New line character is also called as escape sequence, and it forces the cursor to change its position to the beginning to the next line on the screen. After running this program, as you can see that you are watching developer text is in the beginning, and the next line, my name is Sakshi, Pathak, is in the end. Second, slash t means horizontal tab. We use it to shift the cursor to the couples of space to the right in the same line. After running this program, as you can see that it shift right to the same line. These are the scapegoats: slash n, slash t, slash b, slash r, and slash v. There are many more. You can search on Google, because these are the most commonly we will use in our further code or videos. This is the end of the video. Today we learned about how to download Python and how to write our first code and about the scapegoats. In next video we will learn about variables, and this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updates and notification about the next upcoming videos. Thank you.